Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to install the 5-point harnesses we got today. This harness was made by Aces Racing and we're going to do a quick tutorial before we install it. So what you do is you get the right strap and then you put it in here, and then you get this and then put it right here and do left and then do this, and then you bring this over here. And then there's going to be a little hook. You try and put it under here. Oh, and then there we go. Push it down and it's locked in. The link will be in the description. And to get this out, you have to pull it back up, take this out, and then do the left, top, and right. Get it out. It's like a reverse of last time. So, the stuff that you'll need to replace the 4-point harnesses with the 5-point harnesses is a 14mm wrench and a 19mm wrench. Okay, so then. The 14mm wrench goes in this one, and then the 19mm wrench goes in this one. You hold the 14mm wrench still, and then you keep moving the 19mm wrench this way. So we loosened it enough to where we can do it by hand now. So let's hold the left one still and keep the right one going. So this is the nut, this is the block washer, and then this is the spacer. There's a spacer on this side. Do not lose those. This is our last one. So to put the left bar in, you put this in like this, and you put it on the right side. Okay, so we'll do that. And then right side. That's good. And then right side, you go over to this one, and then you hook that together on the right side. So those are all installed. And so we had to remove the spacers because this is thicker than the 4.1, the original. Now we are going to install the lap part of the seat belt.
So since there is actually no place to install a 5-point harness, we had to attach the part that goes between your legs to the slider rail. This is where you adjust the seat right here. We ran to Lowe's and got a longer bolt so that we could do that. We're not really sure if this is probably the best place to put it, but this is about the only place that we have found so far that will work for the 5-point harness without having to drill a hole into the frame.
The seat belts are now safely installed. We're not going anywhere now.